Okay, we're back. I went ahead and ground a little bevel into the washer here. There's not much of one on there, but a little bit on the edge right there. Real faint. That's all we need. We'll see if it makes any difference. Probably not much. Nope. Nope. Didn't do hardly anything. You have to really grind a lot to do anything. That was enough grinding for that. Alright. Let's move off that. There. Oh. Okay, I ground the piss out of this side here. So it's got a nice large radius. I can't tell what I'm looking at. And I went ahead and ground. Oh, this is the side I ground the most on. This is the side I was hitting heavy. This is the side that was okay. I radiused it off. I ground a lot off of this, made a nice large radius there. And also deburred all the way around the whole edge here too, so no sharp edges. If you're going to deburr, you might as well deburr all the surface. Alright. So on these, the groove goes down. Sharp edge goes toward the center to cut out. Hopefully this time works. Find out. Okay, works again. Counter shaft assembly again. All right. Check our shifter alignment. which is way the hell off now. Yeah. A little bit too close. See where right there. Now by pushing on the fork right here, you can see how the gear moves up. So is it going to be there or is it going to be there? We don't know. So the next thing is you pull up on this side, you can see where the dog is here. So you can see how close it gets on this side. So you look at this gap right here, how close it gets to there, or down below, wherever you want to look at. And you can see how close it is right in here. It's pretty close right there. So depending on where you got the fork at. See the clearance in that fork? Pretty loose. So it's too close to that gear. Now for racing, that's perfect. Then you take the shim out of this one, drop it real close, put a big shim over here, and you got a nice tight gear pack. That's where you're supposed to, that's how you do it for racing. Street bikes, you're a little more conservative. So I'm going to put the 20 back in there and see what happens. I'm going back and forth for a while now. If it moves it too far, I'll put it back. This one is the plus 20. I did swap out the wrong one. Standard. Nope, that's how it was. Alright, now we'll take a look at it. Now you can see how the gap is a lot bigger right now. Still moves up when you do that. And you go the other direction, see how close it gets to my low gear. So you're either too close to low or you're too close to second gear. So if I had my choice, I like being closer to second than low. Because easy in low gear, you're not moving when you put it in low. In second gear, you're actually shifting it pretty good. So you want it to go in there further on that one. So that's why you would move it. What we need is like a 25 to put it in the middle. We don't have a 25. So we'll do it the other way. Take a couple minutes to double check, make sure you have the direction you want. Back to our 30. Here am I in? We're in neutral. Boy, that thing's sliding down now, it never used to. I noticed that before. Thing's been ground on a lot for whatever reason. I don't know what that's all about. Put that toward this side. Coming for you, Scooby. Yeah, that's a big change. Yeah, big change. Okay, so you look at your dogs. If you push your shift fork in, it brings that side up, because right now it's almost touching. And you look at the gap there versus the one here. See, it's about equal when it comes up and down. So with the fork pushed this way, it's about equal between the two. There's about equal gap there to there. It's just when you let the fork go that way, it's real close here. You just, like I said, the fork moves at the distance. That's the distance going from one fork to the other by tightening that one up. And I think this has a lot of clearance in it. It's going to float where it wants to. I don't like it where it goes to the next spot, so that's fine. What's wrong, Scooby? Scooby's over here making fun. At least the air cleared. Alright, so washer. Okay, so I think I got everything done that we need to do. This part. So I'll give it shifts, we're good to go this time. If it shifts. Alright. Frees up a little more. That's a little bit freer spin. Good. It's liking me right now. Maybe it'll shift better now. Can't be asking for too much, can we? Some people might wonder why I put the lever on backwards. That's how I do my race bike. I like shifting this way. Push down to upshift. That's how it should be. Okay. There's low. Second. Third. Fourth. Moving. Second, third, fourth. Now it's shifting correctly. It's not sticking. Still got a tight spot on there, but it's not being a problem. neutral right now. It's in between gears. Oh, we're in low. That's why it's being a pain. Whatever. Keep these stupid ass slippery ass shafts. All they do is slip. Can't tell anything. Slipping, sticking again. Jamming through right there. It works and it doesn't work. Something moved. I don't know what the hell the difference was. See, that's where it stops. Push harder, it goes all the way through. We're in high gear right now, so. Something right there, still jamming it in pretty heavy. Alright, I've still got issues. I don't know how much more I can grind that edge away. So that's where the shaft's all the way out. When it goes in just a little bit, it really binds up. Yeah. More grinding. Parts do not like each other at all. You can just see the heavy wear mark right there going across that surface still. So even though I ground a bunch of it off, it needs more. Sure that lever's getting nailed on too. Just getting eaten on. Alright, we're going to do the same thing again. We'll be back.